to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the homogenizer to disrupt the cells. So first, you want to make sure your cells are completely dissolved and homogeneous and there are no clumps so it doesn't get stuck in there. Then you want to turn on the nitrogen gas. Then turn the switch in the back. So it lit up, and then you want to do this, then you want to start. And you will see the liquid going through. You want to make sure the alcohol goes through it completely. Then you want to have the bucket of water pass 500 mils in the beginning, then your cells, and then the rest of the 500 to wash everything. Then you can finally dump the cells inside. Make sure the flow is good and there's no blockage. Then you can finally turn this knob here to about 40, and once you start hearing the sound, it means that it is lysing the cells. And without doing this, you're not going to lyse the cells. Make sure everything flows through about 2 times at least before collecting the lyse cells. Finally, turn the air regulator knob back to where it used to be. Flow another 500 milliliter of water through the instrument to clean it. Once you are done, you want to stop and put this loop it around. And do exactly the reverse. Turn off the nitrogen.